Hi, you guys. Today is September 14th. It's Monday, and we're going to learn how to solve equations with variables on both sides. It's lesson 1.3, and it's day 1 on this. So today in your comp book, I want you to start off by making this rectangle here, labeling the side lengths. This side length is 3. This other one is x. I want you to write an equation. Now what we're going to do is we're going to say that the value of the perimeter is equal to the value of the area. So in this slide here, I did a little tutorial on what is the perimeter, just to give you that. If you forgot how to find the perimeter of a rectangle, it's side plus side plus side plus side. And that's going to equal the area of a rectangle. Now to find the area of a rectangle, it's base times height. So first thing I did over here in this little slide, you guys, is I completed all sides of the rectangle. Remember that if one side is 3, the opposite side is also 3. If the bottom side is x, the top side is also x. So I filled in all the dimensions on each side, and then I set the perimeter, 3 plus x plus 3 plus x, that's our perimeter equaling to our area. Base times height, x times 3 is 3x. Then I went into our equation solving skills. So the first thing I notice is that I have x's on both sides of the equal sign. So I need to make sure that I get all the x's to one side. As you can see, I moved the 2 x's over to the right by simply taking the inverse operation of a positive 2x, which is a negative 2x. Once you do that, I get x equals 6. So I know that this blank over here, this empty value that you don't know, x, is now 6. So then what I did is I checked to make sure that in fact the perimeter is equal to the area, so I replaced the x's with the number 6. And then I did a couple of, 3 plus 6 is 9, 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. The area is easier to find because it's just base times height. 3 times 6 is 18. I also gave you a video of my voice, so if you want to go through and click on this video, it will also take you through me explaining how to set your perimeter to equal your area of a quadrilateral. That's a four-sided figure. All right, let's move to the next slide. The same thing with this one. I gave you a slide to show you how it unfolds. You can take your time, copy this into your comp book, and then what I want you to do is to try this one on your own. I want you to use examples 1 and 2 to help you with this slide. Do the exact same thing and let's see how well you do. Finally, I gave you some examples. I want you to take these notes in your comp book. I showed you step by step how to solve the equation 15 minus 2x equals negative 7x. Here it is, simplifying to x equals negative 3. So your answer or your solution is negative 3. Lastly, I have had you guys, would like for you guys to check it. So you take your original equation, and wherever you see an x, you're going to replace it with the negative 3, just like in this box. Okay. Now let's go to another example. This example is using the distributive property. So here it is. I worked it all the way out to your solution. And this one, I'm not having you check your solution. So let's go to this one. It just says solve the equations and check your solutions. Now, when you check your solutions, I only want you to check your solution for number 3. I'll fix that so you guys have that. So it's just number 3. Check your solution for number 3. Okay. Just to give you guys a chance to check your solutions. All right, moving on, we're going to do, again, some more practice, 1, 2, and 3. Then on this one, checking your solutions, let's just only check our solutions for number 1. Number 1 only will check our solutions. Okay. And then lastly, some more practice. And then here is the answers to your homework from last Let's go, geez, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It was from Wednesday. Last Wednesday, these are the answers to your homework. It was on your slideshow. I believe it was slide 8. And then lastly, your homework or your assignment to do is slide 10. This one you're going to be doing independently. You will not need me. If you have any questions, then we'll answer those questions if you get stuck. And then lastly, you are going to answer your exit ticket in Pear Deck and on your exit ticket. All right, I hope that helps. Thank you guys and have a good day.